Hey, this is Steve, and what we're going to do today is talk about some fractions. So let's just jump straight into it. I'm really excited. Now, the thing about fractions is it's the go-to way to do things analytically if you're dealing with numbers other than integers. Well, if you actually, technical point, if you're dealing with irrational numbers, you're fucked. It's 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 bad. But most things you deal with are actually fine. Anyway, so let's explain what a fraction is. So maybe you've seen it already. So a fraction is things like 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, or maybe like 2/5, stuff like that. So that's what a fraction looks like. Now let's explain what exactly that is. So here, let's say this is a square. Now I remember back in school they said, oh, to help me understand, they say they describe some chocolate or something like that. I don't know. So if you want, imagine this is a chocolate bar, and we break the chocolate bar. So the chocolate bar represents just one, and we break the chocolate bar, and let's get a more aggressive color. It's gonna bleed. Chocolate bar's bleeding red, bleeding red chocolate. I don't know. Anyway, so we break it in half, and then we have two halves. So we have this one here, this half. So we call this a half. This is a half. And what this green stuff represents is 1/2 of the chocolate bar. So what it is, it's like one, right? We have one chocolate bar, and it's been divided by two. Now let's have another situation. For example, here let's draw another chocolate bar, but this time let's cut it into 5. Let's cut it into 5. Get our red bloody pen and go 1, 3. So there's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Now remember the chocolate bar is just 1, for example. So what happens is, let's say we want 2 parts of chocolate out of the 5. So that's gonna be this one here and this one. So what we have is 2 parts of the whole thing, and we divided it into 5. So that's what 2/5. Okay, that's not too bad. Now let's go for one last example, but this is gonna be a simplifying example. So let's say we have a chocolate bar again. Gotta be careful eating this much chocolate. You might get diabetes. I don't know if I can say that on camera. Whatever. Okay, that's fine. So you break the chocolate bar, you break the chocolate bar into 4 pieces, right? And now say I want 2 of those 4 pieces of chocolate. So that's gonna be 2 out of the 4. Now it turns out you can simplify this fraction because divide both these numbers by 2. So the idea is like you find a common multiplier, common divisor or something. So like 2 and 4 are part of, if you look at the times table, you see that 2 and 4 are part of the 2 times tables. That means we can so how do you get 2? So you just go 1 times 2. So how do you get 4? You go 2 times 2. So it's 2, right? Just mull over that if it's a bit funky. Anyway, so that's the intuition behind fractions, and now in the next video what we're going to do is go into some detail about computing some fractions, various things. Okay, so I'll see you there.